To record video, press the Rec button in order to turn the LED red. In video mode, the recording starts automatically when the Parrot Bebop drone takes off. Press it again to stop the video recording. Use the stick located above the right part of the Parrot Skycontroller to change the angle of the camera. To take a picture with the Skycontroller, press once on the right stick. Installing FPV glasses. For extreme sensations, it is possible to connect first-person view glasses to the Parrot Skycontroller with the HDMI socket. First-person view glasses enable you to access the FreeFlight 3 application. To open the main screen, press the return button and click on the stick to validate. Use the left stick to navigate in the menu. Press on this button to access Android operating system. Press the FreeFlight 3 icon to launch the application again. On the piloting interface, you can access to all the Bebop settings by clicking once on the navigation stick. Move the stick left and right to switch between the different settings. To modify a parameter, select it first and click one time. Then, move the stick up and down to change the value. Click again to validate. Now, let's take off. Telemetry indicators assist you during your FPV flights. On the left, you can see the speed of the drone, its altitude, and its range from the Skycontroller. On the right, you have battery indicators for the drone and the remote and the strength of the Wi-Fi signal. Good flights with Bebop drone and Skycontroller.